Fantastic. How you doing?
Great. How about
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, great.
It should be. Unfortunately, I don't know, because of this seat.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to move that one.
I don't know if it can. It might be powered.
Let's see. If I go from the other side.
Okay.
Oh. Go this way. Let's see. Let's move it all. Let's see. So it's not moving because the battery's completely dead. Yeah, I'll bring my jump starter. Got the jump start connections over there, so I'll probably jump start it so that we can at least get it to move.
Yeah, I tried to do that.
Yeah, I'll try to give it a start. Nice.
Leave it on or
No, I just wanted to make sure I have enough space before we turn it off. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's perfect space now. Yeah, we can turn it off.
okay.
The key came out?
No, yes, I can't.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I know you were worried about that. You were surprised, huh?
Done.
Yeah.
They got.
All right. Got that out of the way. There we go. And there's the old one.
Sorry about all the dog hair.
Oh, you're right. Oh, I love dogs. All right, before we put it all back together, you want to see if it runs?
Sure.
Good deal. All right.
Kind of stuff do you? Big favor, snap this in for me.
Yeah,
I
let's see what-
physically can't. I don't know why.
Yeah, you're right. Okay,
So
we got it. We got it.
So do I.
All right, good deal. Appreciate it. Have a good one.